The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia, northeastern Baker County in southwestern Georgia, northern Thomas County in Georgia, Colquitt County in Georgia, until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:56 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Camilla, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Moultrie, Pelham, Camilla, Norman Park, Lecanton, Darren, Pavo, Coolidge, Riverside, Schley, Berlin, Funston, Sail City, Valentin, Flint, Enon, Cotton, South Moultrie, and Sustain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Thomas, Georgia. You're listening. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, East Central Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Tallahassee, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tallahassee, Ralford Greenway, Apalachee Regional Park, Cody, Shares Crossroads, Baum, Caps, Nash, Thomas City, Capitola, St. Mark's Headwaters Greenway, Shares, Wakulla, Wassissa, Lloyd, and Wassissa Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Jefferson and Leon. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, northwestern Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, southwestern Madison County in Big Bend, Florida, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles northeast of Woodville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cody, Goose Pasture, Lamont, Wassissa Springs, Ear Idu, Cabbage Grove, and Thomas City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Jefferson, Madison, and Taylor. You're listening to The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 275, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida, Calhoun, Franklin, Gadsden, Jackson, Leon, Liberty, and Wakulla, and the following counties: in Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Seminole, and the following: Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ochlockonee River, and coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You're listening. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jackson County in Florida, northeastern Calhoun County in Florida, Gadsden County in Big Bend of Florida, north central Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Mariana to 11 miles north of Lowndes, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bainbridge, Quincy, Greensboro, West Bainbridge, Chattahoochee, Sneads, Gretna, Grand Ridge, Greenwood, Alpha, Apalachee, Brinson, Bascom, Rock Bluff, Oshisi, Juniper, Douglas City, Selman, Florence, and Recovery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Florida, Calhoun, Gadsden, Jackson, and Liberty, and the following counties: in Georgia, Decatur and Seminole. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Houston County in southeastern Alabama, northeastern Jackson County in Florida, southwestern Early County in southwestern Georgia, northwestern Seminole County in southwestern Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottonwood, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cottonwood, Ashford, Columbia, Malone, Avon, Gordon, Jacket, Bascom, Saffold, Pansy, Crosby, Grangeburg, River Churn, Hornsville, Farley Nuclear Plant, Ellaville, Steam Mill, Howard's Mill, Lovetown, and Sealy Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Jackson, Florida, and Seminole, Georgia. You're listening. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lowndes County in Georgia, northern Brooks County in Georgia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Pavo, or 10 miles north of Quitman, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Valdosta, Hayhira, I-75 at exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Morven, Barney, Barretts, I-75 at exit 29 and I-75 at exit 22. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Brooks, Georgia. You're listening to